My name is Nikhil Gaikwad. I lead product management for data and AI collaboration at Databricks. Today, I'm excited to walk you through a demo of Databricks Clean Rooms. As a quick refresher, Clean Rooms enables organizations to securely collaborate with their customers and partners on sensitive data without compromising privacy. For this demo, imagine that I'm a member of a fraud detection team at a large bank, Bank A. And we're collaborating with another financial institution, Bank B, to conduct a joint fraud analysis. I, as Bank A, have data about my customers, their transactions history, and also a proprietary AI model that I've built that analyzes transactions data. My collaborator, Bank B, also has data about transactions, merchants, and customer risk profiles that they want to use. However, there are a few challenges we need to overcome. First, we cannot share sensitive information about our customers or transactions with each other. Second, our data is on different clouds and data platforms, but we still want to be able to collaborate without having to replicate or move the data. Finally, we also want to leverage proprietary code and AI models inside of a clean room for analysis. We're going to use Databricks Clean Rooms to overcome these challenges and collaborate in a secure, privacy-safe environment to identify fraudulent activities. Let's check it out. All right, I'm going to start off in the workspace of Bank A, and in a few steps, I will go create a clean room. I'll give this clean room a name, and for my cloud and region, I'm using AWS and US West 2. What's amazing is that it doesn't matter whether my collaborator is on different cloud regions or data platform, they can still participate in the cleaner. I know that my collaborator, Bank B, is already on Databricks, so I will invite them using their clean room sharing identifier. Lastly, I can also choose to restrict all outbound access to the internet and network resources, but I'll keep this one simple and proceed with full internet access. Once the clean room is set up, I can now start to bring in my data assets. First, I will add my transactions and customers data. I can also add unstructured data and AI models. So here I'm going to include a private library that calls an AI function to help me with my fraud detection task. My clean room is ready for my collaborator to join. Let's switch gears. Now I'm Bank B, and I can join the clean room that has been created by my banking partner and see all the pre-added data assets. And actually, when I click into the transactions data table, you can notice that I can only see the underlying metadata, but not the actual data itself. Now it's my turn to bring data into the cleaner. So as Bank B, I'm going to add in my customer risk profiles and all the fraud transactions data, which is actually sitting in the Snowflake data warehouse. I can use Lakehouse Federation to connect to my Snowflake warehouse without needing to do any ETL or data copy. Next, I choose to add a notebook that I can collaborate with that is mutually agreed between me, Bank B, and Bank A. This notebook essentially will let us analyze both of our data assets and identify fraudulent transactions. Let's move ahead to Bank A. Once I hit refresh, I can see that there is a new notebook that has been added into the cleaner. I can inspect the notebook, making sure it contains all the code that we mutually agreed on, and choose to run it. This will then kick off a serverless job, and within a few seconds, I should be able to see the results of my analyses. All right, I can see the output generated by the notebook, which even contains some rich visuals that help me understand which transactions I can flag based on things like originating country. All right, let's summarize what we just saw. Two organizations were able to bring their respective data assets into a secure Databricks clean room without needing to expose or reveal the underlying data. They were even able to bring their proprietary ML or AI models. It didn't really matter if they were on different clouds, regions, or data platforms. They were able to use the power of delta sharing and lakehouse federation to share data assets. Lastly, they were able to run mutually approved jobs against their data to detect fraud patterns. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you.